Hi, in this video I want to show you how to use the tactical buying and selling tool from FreeFinCal, which is based on moving averages. You can buy the tool from the tactical buy sell menu link here on the top bar, and once you buy, the first thing I want you to do is the tool costs 1000 rupees. Once you buy the tool, you have to first read the warning and disclaimer in full. I have shown in previous articles how to use this tool for equity, for small caps in particular, for gold, for gilts, and so on. So the first thing I want you to do is read the warning and disclaimer in full. Second, you have an offer to enter my goal-based portfolio management Facebook group. If you buy the tool, you get 1000 rupees off. You get a 39% discount on this is the purchase link which is available. And the first sheet is the input sheet, and here I have given some data. I don't know what data it is. It doesn't matter what data it is. It's just an example data, and this is the data for which you want to calculate monthly moving averages, and that is single monthly moving averages, which is single MMA here in the sheet here, and double monthly moving averages, which is 6-month and 12-month moving averages. So what you must do is, first of all, you need to decide what is the index for which you have to get the price for. So you have to go to Nifty indices, and you can just, so this gives you historical index, archives, etc., total returns index. You don't need total returns index for this. You just need price index. So you can choose whatever data you want, however long you want. It's up to you. And once you do that, you will get this. So you will have to download this, open the file, remove this open, high and close. You can delete these 3 columns when in the Excel file. You will just have data and close. So that's that. You can just copy that and paste it in this area. But before you paste it, first remove this. So copy the select this fully, delete it. Then you copy the new data, and let's say that is the new data. You will have to click on convert daily to monthly data. When you click on this, the Excel macro will convert the daily price into monthly data and take you to this single moving average sheet. Now you have to have macros enabled for this to work. If you don't have macros enabled, then it will not work. So that's important. I am actually working on a Mac, and this is on Excel, so it will work on Windows Excel as well as Mac Excel. This is the newest version of Excel for Mac. So there's no difference between Windows Mac and Office for Windows and Office for Mac nowadays. Everything looks the same except for the key differences and so on. So you will be taken to this sheet. Now it is up to you whether you want to use single moving averages or double moving averages. That's up to you. That this tool cannot help you with. I cannot help you with this. In this single moving average, you can see monthly data being presented here. So you have this data. You can just copy that. You can just convert it into short date. You can see here immediately you will have the first month, second month, third month, and so on. That's monthly data from 1990. I think this is for Sensex. It doesn't matter. You can choose whatever you want. You can change the range of plotting here and so on. Those basic Excel things you need to know how to do. I mean, if you can't do that, I can't help you. Then you can change the number of months over which the average is to be taken. You can choose it. I have used 18 there. You can make it 10. Then it should change, and you can get the new data that's over 10 and so on. You can have 5, whatever you want. Change it. You can see that this buy and sell represents basically, let me put it back to 18 so that it's easier to see. So it basically represents a tactical buying and selling idea, where if the price falls below the moving average, you sell. And when the price goes above the moving average, you buy back again, and so on. But you can see that whatever method you use, you will always have this whipsaw where there is short where the buy sell indicator, which is shown in the right side, is dotted line, quickly goes from 0 to 1 to 0, 1 to 0 to 1, and so on. So you will have such whipsaw. That's inevitable in any tactical strategy, but that's something that you will have to understand and use it as per your discretion. So in this input, when you clicked on this convert daily to monthly data, this 6 month 6 MMA 12 MMA sheet will also get populated with the monthly data, and you can get the 6 month data, 12 month data here, and you can use it for buying and selling. So the indicator here, the dotted line, is 1 whenever the 6 month moving average is greater than the 12 month moving average, and 0 otherwise. I have several posts on videos on how this can be used for timing the market, etc. Please have a look at that in some detail before you understand it. I don't want to reproduce all that. So again, let me go through the steps. Go to the sheet, go to the input sheet, delete this data. You don't need that. Choose your index. You may want to analyze Nifty or Nifty Next 50 or whatever, Sensex, whatever. Go to, for Nifty indices, you can go here and get the data. Price data is enough. The close price and the date is enough. Copy this in here after deleting the existing data. Copy the new data here. Click on the macro. It will populate the single MMA sheet with monthly data and 6 MMA 12 MMA sheet with monthly data. You can use that for your analysis as appropriate. I also have fixed data sheets. This is Sensex moving average. Sensex data is already provided here. You can just you don't need to change anything. Don't delete this data because it's already available. All you need to do is, this is, for example, let me just make this bigger. So I have data up to 31st May 2020. All you need to do is go to the BSE website and look for the dates. Just get this data. You can just do it manually. You know, already it's available up to May 2020. You can just get the data for June, July, August, and so on. You can just fill it up manually. It's not a very big deal. And then you can do the same analysis for Sensex as well. So you can see here. Let me just make this smaller again. So you have the 6 MMA and 12 MMA data here. You can also do other kinds of analysis with it. I also have gilt 10-year yield data. You have the 10-year bond PE, which is based on that 10-year yield. This data is taken from in.investing.com. I have data already populated here for some duration. The rest of it you can just copy and paste it there. And you can choose monthly data here. You can, if you make it bigger again, this monthly data is already available in in.investing. You can choose monthly option and pick this up. That will automatically give you. I've just copied it. Open, high, close. Everything is. You just copy the whole thing inside. When you go to the in.investing, you will see this format there. This day, 10-year yield, open, high, low, percentage, this much will be there. You can just paste. So go to the, don't paste it here, go scroll down to the bottom and you just paste it in this gray area. Paste it here, then it will automatically get calculated. So there's no problem there. Gold moving average also I have provided some data. You can go to gold.org and get the data for this and you should be able to do it. So if you have to go to gold.org, you have to go to data, you have to log in and get the data, and that's something that you'll have to figure out on your own. It's quite simple. You just need to, there'll be a button called data. You just need to figure it. So that's essentially how you use the FreeFinCal market timing average tool. One user wanted me to make this video, hence I am doing this. So I'll catch you later. Bye bye.